Hey guys, so we didn't catch any fish this morning. Actually, our intention was to scout the place. So we went to 2 lakes and 1 river. We didn't catch any. I don't know why. Maybe it's just that, it's just that that moment that you're ready to fish and there's no fish, or they don't want to bite. Anyway, my friend asked me to join them. They're gonna shoot this afternoon, so I brought some guns. So I just realized that ammo are expensive, because it's been a while since I last bought ammunition. I think it was December when Walmart was clearing their ammo shelves. So back then, ammo was 9mm was $9 or $9 to $10 per box of 50s. Now my friend told me it's $20, $19.99 or $20 and up to $24. Wow! So I can consider that as an investment. So my initial investment of $10 is now $20 if I want to sell. Wow, that's a good investment. Okay. But since I'm making videos on YouTube, I'm probably gonna, and I don't have any sponsors for ammunition, so I'll probably use all the ammo that I have. Having said that, I remember the time 2012 when there was a similar case, ammunition, ammo, magazine shortages. So people tend to use the less common ammunition, like 17 HMR for rifles, like 7mm for rifles. You can't find any 223, you can't find any 308. If you can find them, they're expensive. So for pistols, people are using the 22 LR as a trainer or a practice or a range gun. So that's what I brought. I brought my GSG 522. No, GSG Firefly. I also have 522, but I didn't bring it. I brought the GSG Firefly. Okay, and I have a newly built upper, 7.62 by 39. It's a pistol upper by Durkin Tactical, but the BCG was from Brownells, and the charging handle I think is from Brownells, and the magazine is ASC. And I just want to test if it's gonna run. Okay, see you at the farm. Okay, we're here at the farm. Targets are set up. This is what I brought. My new AR9 upper, 7.62 by 39. This is the 5.56 upper. Smith & Wesson 10-7 and my junk shotgun.
Oh yeah. I never really
GSG Firefly, but I brought my junk ammo. I just want to use it.
right?
Going through the other one?
Or like everything has to be like precise. Right? So I'm gonna shoot, record me. Make sure you can see me and the target.
Record? What you're shooting?
Okay. It's not.
Did I just pierce all three of them?
So make sure ang pinakaano mo sa iyo.
Let's do some headshots.
Magazine's down. Two ways na pag-load mo nito, pag-load mo ng magazine, either you push it down, right? Or
Also,
atake mo
further.
parang ito, wag mong igaganyan. Atake mo. Ganun pa. Okay. Bibitawan mo, no? So ganun ang pagka-load mo. Sandali. Pag-load ako, either parang tirador. Oo. Itakan mo, let go. Wag ginanon mo ng konti. Dapat ganun mo siya. Pagkakin mo ulit, ilak mo ulit. Ilak mo ulit. Ilak ko. Atakin mo. Gano'n mo lang. Bitawan mo. Yeah, that's perfect. Ganyan lang siya. Or, nakasarado to. Magazine. Ka na.
Dapat
Oo. Oh. Or, nakaganyan ka, pindutin mo to. Ganun din. Ganun din. So, tatlong paraan, no? So, load yung magazine. Let go. Or, nakaganito ka.
Let's finish my 3 magazines.
yung tao.
Oh, yung tao. We're not doing precision. Now we're more on defensive. Kasi alam ko tumatama ka naman kahit ano eh. So, i-prep mo na siya, no? Naka-ready ka na. Hindi. Pwede kang nandito lang, nakababa lang ng ganyan. Pero wag ganyan. Kailangan.
Okay.
Oo. Pero ibaba, hindi ka nang naka-low ready ka, naka-geto ka. No? Pero naka-prep na yung trigger mo, di ba?
Okay.
Naka-prep. Pagtaas mo ganyan, pagtaas mo dan. Pagtaas mo pa lang, nakita mo to nasa gitna na ng target, magpaputo ka na.
Okay.
Let's shoot more 22s.
Front. Faster. Make it boom. Make up yung ano mo, clear. Clear mo.
Clear.
Drop the magazine.
What do you mean the gap? Kay parang naghintay. Kung di nga tuktok.
Oh, you like boom. Look, pag John, from here. Ikaw magsabi ng thread front. Sabi ano? Thread front. Boom, boom. Oh. Kasi
Last 3 mags, promise.
na ano, kailangan talaga ano mo. Yung ano mo, practice mo sandali. Oh, wag pabayaan mo to. Ito lang tingnan mo. Mag-practice na, magna-dry fire tayo. Kailangan put mo to forward para ano. Release. So pagka ano mo, kailangan pag ganito mo, pag nakita mo to sa gitna, hindi doon sa taas, nasa may X. Nasa may
Okay guys, so it's been a while since I shot this gun, and this is the best time to shoot this gun, especially 22 LRs with the ammo shortage and the ammo prices right now. It's crazy. So it is reliable for me. Those jams that you saw, they are ammo related because of this Remington cheap bulk ammo. So that's why I had to rack it to dispose of the round that did not ignite. But the gun did its job and I like it. So for me, it's reliable, it's ergonomics, and the weight is similar, almost similar to a full-size pistol, and with controls similar to a full-size pistol. What else? Also has threaded barrel, and it's cheap. I don't know right now, but usually this is going for less than 200 bucks. That's it guys, thanks for watching.